Staying hydrated is one of my healthy habits, and juicing fresh fruits and vegetables is a great way to get your nutrients, minerals, electrolytes, and it keeps you totally hydrated. Today I'm going to do a citrus sunrise with 4 carrots, 2 oranges, and some ginger. Keep some of the white on the orange because it has a lot of the vitamins and nutrients in the white of the orange. And ginger is an incredible anti-inflammatory. Everyone needs a little ginger in their life. This little juice has vitamin A, B, C. It's an anti-inflammatory, has tons of electrolytes, beta-carotene. Juicing is a great way to stay hydrated. Just juice.